All right, so section 4.8, number 35. A ship is 45 miles east and 30 miles south of a port. If the ship wants to sail directly to port, what bearing should be taken? Okay, so we'll draw a picture for this one. I was a little turned around earlier today because my ship was in the wrong direction. So let's make sure we're drawing it in the right direction. So if I think about the port, the ship is 45 miles east of the port and 30 miles south of the port. Okay, so think about a port here. My ship is 45 miles east, right, so going in the east direction, and 30 miles south. And here's my little ship down here. All right, so this is the port. And my ship is 45 miles east and 30 miles south. And the question says, if this ship wants to go directly to the port and not make all these twists and turns, what bearing should it take? All right, so kind of asking, what should this angle be? And what we have is, I know about the legs. I don't know anything about the hypotenuse. Put the little 90-degree in there. So that means I'm going to use tangent. Tangent of this theta equals opposite. So here's my opposite side over my adjacent side. Oops, adjacent. So 45 over 30. All right, and so I'll just use tan inverse. If I take tan inverse of both sides, let's say tan inverse of the left side, try to squeeze it in, tan inverse of the right side. That means that my tangents go away and I have theta equals tan inverse of 45 over 30. All right, so I'm just going to type that one in, oops, just to confirm. So tan inverse, I'm going to put arctan. And then in parentheses, I want 45 over 30. And I get 56.31. So we'll say theta is 56.31 degrees. All right. So just have to kind of read carefully and make sure your items are in the right location. My ship was up north and the port was down south. But if we read it carefully, it says the ship is south of the port and east of the port. All right, so that was number 35.